Hey everybody, welcome back to Mrs. RATTLECAN'S house. I am James, and this is a really quick appeal. I'm just going to let you know that the motherboard has left California, should be here by the weekend, and then hopefully we'll get back up and running. I have a request for information. If you know of a resource about marble or granite or something along those lines, point me to that, if you will. Our house has the original Anderson, I think they're either redwood or they're cedar windows, and our window sills for most of the house is what appears to be granite, and then for the living room and the dining room it's marble. Some person over the past 62 years decided that they were going to secure those windowsills in their position with construction adhesive. And now over the years they're starting to sag, and most of them are pretty loose, and the construction adhesive has hardened. They didn't caulk it on, they used like construction adhesive. I have worked on one window and have been able to either chip it off with a putty knife, or, don't scream when I say this, remove it with a hammer and a chisel. The down part of doing it that way is it takes off a very thin layer of the material, so we're not going to do that. I've also found that the industrial strength goof off will dissolve that adhesive, but what I'm worried about is am I going to damage the stone doing that? Is there a better way to get that old dried adhesive off of there? And then once I do get it off of there, is there something that I need to do to that stone? I mean, I don't know. I'm totally ignorant in the care of finer stone windowsills. I don't know, do I condition it? Do I seal it? Do I wax it? Do I talk to it? Do I take it out to dinner? I don't know. And that's why I'm coming to you guys. I'm appealing to the hive mind here. So if you have some experience with, and I don't even know if it's granite or not, and as soon as we get the computer up and going, then I'll be able to make a better video and show you what I'm talking about. So put your thinking caps on and use the Googly, or if you have something in your brain that you just want to share, shoot me an email, shoot me a message. The best way, I'll be totally honest with you, is if you're on the Facebook with Facebook Messenger, because that rings right into my pocket. I have not had great success with any sort of consistency of getting messages through YouTube. As far as I'm concerned, their message system just needs a 5-gallon bucket of napalm and somebody to start over again. So yeah, the best way to get information to me is over on the Mrs. RATTLECAN'S house Facebook page, and then you can just drop us a message there. Anyways, that's what's going on. The rumors are it's going to be a really nice weekend, and now the problem with a really nice weekend, when right now you have apparently there are miscreants upstairs, is that on a weekend when it gets really nice, suddenly everybody wants your time and everything has to be done. So anyways, hope you guys are having a great week, and have a great weekend. Cheers.